guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at how to use your own voice in more of a lead way. Excuse me. So let's dive straight in. So as you can see here, we have a recording. This is just a plain recording of, when you make those scratchy sounds with your voice, like, oh, those creepy sounds. So this is basically a recording of that. So as you can see, it's a bit short. So I'm just going to time stretch it so that it folds up the whole 8 bars. And then I have a limit on here just so that I don't go over. So let's dive in. So we have the kick. Just to get the time. Okay, cool. So let's just slap an EQ on quickly. Take this out. And then from here, just go crazy, experiment. What works cool with it is gates. So like if you have some gating plugins, let's use LFO. I think there's gates on LFO. So let's see what gates they have. Trans gates. Okay, that's cool. So you create some like gate patterns on it, and then we can play with the pitch. So something like crystallizer. Crystallizer is cool on the pitch. From Sound Toys. Let's just turn all this off. Okay, cool. So we'll just do some automation on the pitch. Okay, so we took the LFO off. It's a bit choppy. So now we have the recorded automation on the crystallizer. But interesting. So when we add it all together. Okay, cool. So let's bounce this. Okay, so we have our bounce of the vocal. Okay, cool. And we can chop it up with the scissors tool, chop it into ones, even halves. Okay, nice. So what we can do with this, we can add a bit of delay. Some reverb, just using the Valhalla. Let's just see how this sounds. then we still have our source material. If we want to do some different things, we can add maybe a gate. So let's look for a better gate this time. I don't know if you guys have Gatekeeper, but it does really cool gates. And let's just wait for that to load. Okay, so Gatekeeper, let's just look for a gate, something classic gator. Add some reverb. We can make it a bit softer so it floats in the background. The effects version at the bottom. What's going on? So nice snare. Let's duplicate this last one. Let's turn this off. Let's see if we can get something rhythmical in the second one. So this is just how we will create our own gate with the second one. Let's kill this. Kill the fades. Yeah, sounding cool. Yes, so it all started with a voice recording, and then you mess around with that, you get ideas, becomes an effect. From there, it becomes the lead gate, and then so we're pushing one sound, but we're making 3 different elements. So yeah, go crazy. Don't use the normal methods. Just whatever you can think of. Thanks for watching.